Hey, this is Postcard Dan. I'm getting ready to get on a cruise, and I'm going to show you how I handle the luggage tag question. You know, I've been cruising for many years. I took my first cruise back in 2007. Back in the old days, the cruise line would provide luggage tags. Usually you'd get them through your travel agent, but these luggage tags were durable. Nowadays, however, they just send you a PDF, and you have to print the luggage tags yourself and then fold them up and attach them to your luggage. And they recommend that you staple them to the luggage. Right there it says staple twice. But I like the reassurance of having something a little bit better than staples, because I don't want to have to go and retrieve my luggage that didn't make it to my room because the luggage tag fell off. So let me show you how I handle this. So I always print them in color. You don't have to do that, but I like printing them in color because I think they're color-coded by deck number or side of the ship. So I just fold it kind of the way they show it, but try to end up with a little strip, like so. You can see there I basically have paper now that's just the width of the luggage tag, and all the rest of it is folded up. So when I put it on the luggage itself, it's going to be like that. And this is where they would tell you that you should staple it. In fact, it says right here, staple or tape here. But I have a way that I do it to make sure that it doesn't get torn and it doesn't fall off. So I always bring with me this packing tape. So what I do is I put packing tape right over it that gives it that kind of durable hard cover. So now it's not just a piece of paper, but it's actually got something substantial on it. So tear the tape there and make sure that it doesn't stick to itself. So there we go. And now I can turn it over, and I can do this here, and I can do this just like that. Now if I wanted to be really aggressive, I could put more packing tape on the back side, but this is probably sufficient right here, because then I'm going to fold it and I'm going to put it on the luggage like this and put some tape right here on the bottom. And this baby's not going anywhere. This luggage is definitely going to make it to my room. And that will not be falling off. So I just got my luggage. It's only 10 minutes after 2. That is phenomenal luggage, sir. And you can see that the tag survived. You can see it definitely got some mutilation, but by the taping of it that I did, make sure that you have a tag. And of course I always put at least 2 different tags on it as well. Can you tell I want to make sure that my luggage doesn't get lost? Yeah. So that's my tip for you on how to tag your luggage when you're getting ready to get on a cruise. This is Postcard Dan in Vancouver, BC. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so that YouTube will share it with other people as well. And if you enjoy the content on my channel, I'd be honored to have you as a subscriber.